You can now build data apps that connect directly to your data in Google Drive. Let me show you how it works. First, click to add a connector and select Google Drive from the options. To follow security best practices, select only the files you want to use. It's best not to select the whole drive. You can create multiple connections to your Google Drive that are each scoped to different files or folders. Next, describe the app you want to build. In this example, I want to do some exploratory data analysis and some ML modeling to understand churn in the dataset. Memex gets to work building. It installs dependencies, codes the app, and runs a preview for me to inspect. I'm happy with the app. It built a fully functional version with just one prompt. So now it's time to deploy, and I just hit publish. Memex takes care of securely configuring the published app to connect with Google Drive. And that's it. We connected to Google Drive, built a data analytics and ML app, and deployed it in just a couple minutes. Let me know what you create with it, and happy building.